YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy BlacBoyBJ. I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see the title and the y'all can see the title and the thumbnail, man. What time it is? It's about 6:56, man. I'm finna go meet up with my folks. But say where I'm on. I'm on the way. Bye. Well, yeah, I'm finna go meet up with my folks. My girls are winning the store. How much y'all think it's gonna fill up, man? How much y'all think it's gonna take? It really ain't gonna take that much because I already had to have a tank and shit, so. Damn, my shit dirty. I ain't even washed that bit or nothing. That shit just dirty. But yeah. Oh yeah, look. My lip done came off again, bro. That shit done came off again, bro. No cap. It's all cool. I gotta get a whole new paint job anyway and stuff. Might just wrap the whole car. No cap, but I'm gonna hit y'all back. Oh, my shit just stopped. $38. I told you I already had a full tank. I already had a full tank, but well, I want on my girl to get out and then we're finna meet up with her. I'm gonna turn y'all back on when I get there. What kind of car she got? What's going on, man? Just met up with them folks.
That boy Black. That boy JB.
Hey, boy. I don't fuck my front lip up again.
Damn.
Shit done came off.
Like
I'm telling you, bro. Like, damn. Yeah. Who went on? Oh, okay. Huh? Oh yeah, 2 weeks. Oh yeah.
What's up, Brody?
What's going on, bro?
What's up, bro? What's up, man?
Yeah, 2 weeks. What's going on? 2 weeks, right? 2 weeks. It's a little cold out here. It's supposed to get hot later on, don't it? Oh yeah. Yeah. Tracky.
That's heavy.
I got the 5 spokes on that bit. That bit so hard. Get a picture of that bit. That bit got the 5 spokes on that bit on the track.
Yo, and the 5 spokes do something, bro. What's up, Todd?
Oh, God. Yeah, we got the 5 spokes on that bit. That motherfucker. Oh, she gave you that motherfucker?
Hell yeah. I be bullshitting with Gucci, man. Where my sponsorship at, man? Goddamn.
You dumb as hell.
Can't no more, bro.
Oh, I got this side out here. Family man. Okay now.
Boy, no, it don't. Shut up.
tape behind them.
You two going on, man? Y'all can see we at the oh yeah, Caffeine and Octane. Just pulled up with all the whip. Put the jacket on.
Huh?
Put the jacket on.
How much?
You got nothing in here.
Yes, I do. You don't know what I got in there. Got a weapon in there. Thanks.
Dang it, it's supposed to
Stop. Stop. You won't say that when I get my hair done.
If you get it done. How's it looking? You know for sure you getting your blonde done?
If I don't get my blonde, I'm still getting them brain sex.
What, you gonna go to the Africans?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
If you need us to record, we got you, twins.
Got the Kia boys.
You're my flyaway brand stable.
But you know what? Nobody's caught us in tag, have they?
I ain't cat. These Kias is kind of clean though. I do. I might get me a Kia. Kia Stinger. Stinger. Stingray. Grand Sport.
Stop. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd say, hey, next year.
Next year.
Next year. We'll have that car. I'm done for a minute.
Yeah. Gotta get me an old school in the collection. G06. Yeah.
We got just about a year ago. It had 1,000 miles on it.
Okay. Yeah, that gray goes crazy.
It's killing me. It's got 24,000 on it now.
Red interior too?
I got one of them old, yeah. I was thinking about getting one now before I got my scat, but I was like, man, I'm gonna be bunched up in that shit. That shit ain't. I said, that's some shit I got when I'm old, got other cars and. Hot. One of them Japanese cars, yeah. That'd be a running though. Japanese car.
Look at all, look at it.
Look at
to get in this bit.
Huh?
We're not paying to get in this bit. It's free parking.
No, that'd be a free parking. All the other channels are telling me, come here, you can park right here, Oh God. I'm like, shy, fuck it. I ain't know y'all nigga where I just parked. I was like, fuck it. But you don't get paid for them views. I said, but you don't get paid for them views. How could you? You can't.
I just don't. I don't know.
Oh, you holding? Be walking it out.
Can we get a cat too?
Huh?
A cat.
No. I'm allergic to cats.
Now you're not allergic to this cat. It's on my body.
Like you ain't never seen that before. You ain't never seen nothing like that before?
Just have the retired, yeah, what you want.
Huh?
That's awesome.
I still am just crazy. Like right now, I do.
Shit fast. That's why I got a thing, Pop Willies.
Mm-hmm.
Stop for popping Willies. Yeah.
You will get that?
Well, no, I want a lot of cars. I want like a
You want a
tent. I want a
garage
big
full
ass
of
garage.
cars?
I'm gonna have a garage in the shed in my backyard with hella cars.
But if you drive a different car every day.
I ain't gonna drive different cars every day. I might drive a Honda every day. What do you want one of these? So I really want one of these.
That.
Yeah. Hey.
My dog was talking about
It's a Cadillac.
that shit was so fun. See, in there, you could be able to lay down.
And do what? This is STO, Lamborghini STO.
It's like honeycomb. That got Forrest carbon all on the back of that boy.
That bit hard.
It is. I'm sorry.
We good.
It is fast.
She looking for. They got so many hearts on them.
Yeah, I know your monster.
I said, why you got so many hearts on them? Well, I'm not in your favorite.
You are my favorite. Daddy's funny because I'm daddy.
There. 570S. This is 765.
Like I want to modify it.
With the peanut butter seat.
Something like that.
This is 500. 570S. It's a Demon 170. my real gold chain.
We got the CL1, of course.
That Demon 170.
Smell clean. Smell it.
How mine smell? Not no more. Smell like you. Where is that now?
Look at me.
Where is that now?
Somewhere.
It's so real.
You try. Shut the fuck up.
Whose Honda Civic's made on that noise?
Oh, my bad.
Good, good.
Real close.
I'm gonna wrap my car all white, call that bitch.
It's a Demon.
It'll be the competition for it.
So what is the difference? Like a Demon and yours? Like,
I got a 6.4. I mean, it's a supercharger.
to make a different noise or something?
Yeah. Be whining and shit.
Oh, okay. And that's the Demon.
That's the new one from 170. This the old one, 18. It's the one they just dropped this year. Last year or this year.
I like how it's spec'd out. It's like red, black.
23. What they did? 23?
23.
Yeah. They made them at 23. This is 18. Yeah. I need. No, that's a cat.
You don't want that first day to be that day. You want to warm up. So now when you edit,
This pushing like 800. That pushing 1,000. This pushing 797.
so right now it's all short.
Yeah.
Hit me.
I won't put the miles. Put the motor in my car. I'm gonna keep my car.
I need a new air filter. I'll do it. You know I know how to do that stuff. Get under
Oh, let me
there.
hear. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, like that, just a little glare. Ain't going nowhere. Huh? I mean, you just got it. This type of car when you drive like that. If I get this, it's gonna be in the garage. Yeah, stuff like this. That's a I forgot what type of dog it is. I forgot what type of dog that is.
I was gonna say you disappeared.
I like it like this. It's a Hellcat truck. See that? Engine right there. Satin black. It's satin black. It's satin black. Hey, we got 392 more. What is it? Going on. I said, y'all gonna do the swap on this.
He said that motherfucker got electrical, like door handle electric, like he can turn that bitch on. Like if you nigga trying to rob your shit.
Oh my bad.
You grab the door, that bitch gonna shock you and shit. That bitch got smoke screen and everything, yo.
You need that.
Yeah.
What the hell is Black finna do with to get all that shit?
I need that though when they try to steal my car and shit.
Yeah, that nigga. They gonna get fried.
Yeah.
Break it and shock it.
He said it's a Wrangler, the Jeep engine. The outside just custom. Imagine having a striker on these motherfuckers, but a striker race body.
Yeah.
Some of them motherfuckers BP too. Some of them bulletproof.
Oh yeah. Y'all rich.
Like when you drive and stuff, then I can record and be on the back just like that.
That's how all I want. I want this, that, track hop, and my SRT 392 I got. Had a whole fleet. Only got demons on there challenges. They don't have demons. They don't have demons challenges. I mean charges. Only like okay. Extreme rate.
No, I'm not. I'm in those spots.
Hold the spot. Cowboy shoes on. You good?
It was a fucking Jeep with a fucking demon motor.
I need to see that shit. Someone's a crazy bitch up right now. Pull up with y'all.
Nigga lip broke. Appreciate it, lip done messed up. Gone. I gotta buy another one of them. About to buy a whole new bumper though. Hell no, I don't even smoke.
Man, you need to stop smoking that shit. Stop smoking that.
Yeah, we just left the event. What they call Caffeine, Octane. We just left that event, and we all at the QT finna head back to the east. Might do a little slideshow or something like that. You know what I'm saying? I might. Oh no, I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go eat. That nigga still over there?